Welcome to the Emergency Contact Information phone download. This is a tutorial video of Connect Up. Here we will be going over the utilization of this technology geared towards safety while abroad. This video will explain a step-by-step guide to use Connect Up. This training will last approximately 5 minutes. Please have your phones in front of you as we will be needing this for the demonstration. What is Connect Up? Connect Up allows students to store detailed safety information as a contact in their electronic device. There is no app to download because the emergency contacts are saved directly in your phone. This allows you to have safety information always in hand. Connect Up is very beneficial for individuals like yourself who are traveling abroad. In the event of an emergency, Connect Up comes to the rescue. You will have the contacts and directions you require all right in your phone. Let's get started. Downloading the emergency card. Step 1. Start a text to phone number 444999. For the message, type Auburn Abroad, no spaces, and don't let autocorrect interfere. You will receive a text message with a download link shortly after you send your message. Step 4. Enter your first and last name and email address. Click Submit once complete. Step 5. Click Download Card. Android users, please download the card and press Open at the bottom right of your screen. Then store the card in the Phone option. It is important that the card contact is saved in your phone. iPhone users, please download the card and click Open in Contacts. Make sure that you select Save at the top right to store the contact. It is important that the contact is saved in your phone. Now, you should be able to find the contact called Auburn University Study Abroad by searching in the contacts in your phone. You may search on your phone using the words Study Abroad or Auburn. If you are unable to find Auburn University Study Abroad in your contacts and you have an iPhone, please listen to the following instructions. If your card does not show up on your iPhone, your contact needs to be saved to the iCloud. Go to Settings and select Contacts. Then select Default Account. Select iCloud as your default account, not Exchange. Note: saving contacts to Exchange does not actually save them to your phone. Please go back to the link that was texted to you and download the card again. Now that you have Auburn University Study Abroad saved as a contact in your phone, let's test it. We will be testing the usability of the contact card by answering a few questions. All questions can be answered by having Auburn University Study Abroad contact open. Be sure to click View More while having the contact open. There is lots of information on this card, but we will be exploring it step by step. As we have learned from pre-departure orientation, students who register with Auburn Abroad will have access to the university's international insurance policy with United Healthcare Global. United Healthcare Global will be called in the event of a medical emergency. You may need to call this number when seeking a non-emergency medical attention. Question 1. What is the United Healthcare Global number? This is the first number that appears on your contact card. Their number is 410-453-6330. Question 2. Where can you find an electronic version of the insurance card? In the section titled Web Addresses, you may click International Health Insurance Card link to open an electronic version of the insurance card. Please have your insurance card number readily available when calling United Healthcare Global. Question 3. What should you do if you need to seek medical treatment abroad? Scrolling down on the contact card, you may find in the Notes section of the contact card. Here, you will find the answers to the commonly asked questions. When seeking medical treatment abroad, please inform your AU faculty director or designated emergency responder if you need medical attention. Go to the local clinic or hospital, contact United Healthcare Global to set up an insurance case. What should you do if you have lost your passport? Also in the Notes section of your contact card, you will find the answer to this question. If you have lost your passport, contact the nearest U.S. Embassy or consulate for assistance. Refer to the Lost or Stolen Passports Abroad section. Now that you have mastered the functionality of Connect Up, please be sure to use it in the time of need when abroad. If you have any additional questions, you may email Auburn Abroad. Our email address is auab@auburn.edu. You may also visit Connect Up website for supplementary information. Thank you.